In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell PDF on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a digital product set up, your PDF connected, and ready for customers to purchase and download automatically. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Digital Downloads and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the search results, look for the app called Digital Downloads and click on it. On the apps page, go ahead and install it, then follow all of the installation prompts. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard. Next, let's create your digital product inside Shopify before we attach the PDF file. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, find and click on Products. In the top right corner, click on Add Product. You're now in the product editor. Start by entering the name of your digital product, which will usually be the title of your PDF. Below that, add a detailed description of your digital product. This is where you can explain the benefits, key features, and any instructions your customers might need. Rich text is supported here, so you can use headings, bullet style formatting, and links to make it clearer and more appealing. Scroll to the media section. Click Upload New if you want to add your PDF's cover image or sample pages from your computer. If you already have images in your Shopify files, you can click Select Existing and choose the appropriate cover or sample pages from there. Next, go to the pricing section and set the selling price for your PDF. Choose a price that reflects the value of your content and is consistent with your overall store pricing. In the inventory section, you can toggle off inventory tracking since this is a digital product and doesn't run out. However, if for any reason you want to limit the number of purchases, you can enable inventory tracking and set a quantity. In the shipping section, make sure you disable the option that marks this as a physical product. Since it's a PDF, there's no shipping involved. When you're done with these details, click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. Now it's time to connect your actual PDF file using the Digital Downloads app. Head back to the Digital Downloads app dashboard and wait for it to fully load. You'll see a list of your products here. Find the PDF product you just created, and on its row, click Add Digital File. This opens that product's digital files editor. Click Add Files, and a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to locate the PDF file on your computer. Navigate to your PDF, select it, then click Open at the bottom right of the pop-up, or press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the file has finished uploading, look for the button labeled Fulfillment Settings and click it. A drawer will slide open on the right side. Here you can choose whether files are sent automatically after purchase, or if you prefer to send them manually. You can also decide whether to set a download limit or allow unlimited downloads. Adjust these settings based on how you want to manage access to your PDF, then click Apply if you've made any changes. Finally, don't forget to click Save Again at the top near the search bar. At this point, your PDF product is set up, the file is attached, and your Shopify store is ready to start selling your digital download.